Welcome back to Wrld TV. And from to see a movie, you don't know what time it is already. One Wrld TV and Puppet and I represent. So people, due to circumstances, the movie I never get to finish. You understand? So we just supposed to said way because it don't look like it all get to finish. So we just supposed to said way too now. I'm gonna see what I go on. I'm gonna have a little laughter and nice Sunday I see him way. You understand? Have something to watch. You understand? Because from me meet now little accident and everything people. So when I get to film from when I don't see me I get to post the movie, but I come on now, the back pan chaka now. So now just look out, said we. You understand? So stay tuned.
Half an hour there, so I will find the girl. And I know how she evaluates her. She don't know time anymore.
Good girl, walk on.
No, Tia, no, bad to bad, man. You have to change your lifestyle, you know. Look how long me do you say we pay about half an hour.
Girl, you don't understand, you know. A stress time now, girl. When I say stress time, I mean stress time.
What you mean?
Me have to sit down like meds and sit, man.
So
Sorry
if
for
you
late.
wait till you sit down and med Tia, if me never did a friend, me got me yard, you know.
Girl, you know me need the money, so you mean buy guy a yard. And me can't bother if you walk come down a area, because I know make you live in that day far lane day.
Anyway, so I go on.
Girl, nothing at all. When I say nothing go on, I mean nothing go on, America. You don't understand?
I'm glad me come out for that journey there now, cause guess what? So me look a piece of man when me have a go on with himself still, even though me never like him. I go on with himself, so I can't get to feel like him in a one way.
Marka, let me tell you, say, from last month, me have to wonder how what they go on in my life, you know.
Tia, you know, sister, gotta show your signs of it taps.
Stop bring God in this. God don't have nothing to do with this. And my income. I eat and put food on my table.
All the work out the way you can do, you have to talk about your income. Find something else.
Marka, me not no subject. Me not have nothing what you mean by other work. This is the work that me know all my life. From me know myself. Reach certain age, at this a work, yeah, my work.
Boy, your mother never do a good job. Like your mother need to go and bet.
And this me not like with you in America as a friend. When make you can't judge me, you go like you never used to dip on the road and sit. No, what
I'm
your
not
problem?
judging you. I'm just telling you that you need to find a different work. The thing, you know, some never like your work. So stop being so.
Girl, I don't like me like your work. I'm money me like. And when me tell her say, you see who all last month? Salt. When me tell her say, nothing no go on. A gift for God give me. Put pan this earth for me use it. Hey. Y'all laugh? Girl, me say not even, you see all white man where we used to can get a big money from all with $400 US from one somebody. Mama not even that. When me say, I the little black man them like we pay $2,000 Jamaican. What I can do?
Jesus,
No. Me not know that girl. $2,000.
That look good. That's why you see here, that's why I'm going to say, if you put it down, go look something else. Remember, say, you are talking to your man over choice. A good man, you know. Plus, he knows say you talk to two other men. Which man go sit down and have their woman and talk to two other men? Eh? Mama, come on, Tia. Lego that and stick to a man where you have. He might take care of you. And the next woman, they might give you a little something. Use that. Build a life. If I even start one little business. Think about it.
Girl, tell you God Almighty truth. me I give it a like me I think about it and it a pressure on my brain. And then you know say you see Omar, me I tell you say Omar a good man as well you say. And
course.
me know say I'm a good man. You understand? Right now Omar fed up in a one way. He might talk to me about everything I say. He tired for no say me have two other man with him. And I think that is unfair because me would like for no say he have a next woman. You understand? So me really I think about it if you tell you God Almighty truth. And me just want done with this girl. Me just want done with this. Like
Don't need it, yeah. Don't need it. And give Omar a good chance in your life because a good man. Making sure you what kind of man you be. Oh, I come out to my girl do look at DVDs.
I mean I make you go with it now. Cause right now I broke like a buckle.
And a 3.5
Marka, don't play with me about that we do. Give me money. You love your foolishness? Girl, you know right now my bills to pay. You know me glad for this. You know me glad. Thank you, Jesus. I can't even know how much you save
So
me,
when I get it
Marka.
back?
Are you telling me?
Oh.
Know yourself, man. Me fix you up. Yeah? And thanks.
Yeah. Later.
Yeah. Babe. Omar.
Hi, baby.
So you look so puny and look stressed out and something. I know say you come from work.
No, so I come in early. Kinda come in early. I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what?
Basically, what me I go talk to you about, I talk to you already. But me need to talk to you again because the thing you really bother me, really stress me out. And before you even say nothing, you understand the fact when me come in your life and me book you, you tell me say you have two somebody where you talk to. But me can't bother with this no more. Like, it been cool at first time, because I never have no feelings here, but now like I developing a feelings are developing a love. You see me? I can't bother with this no more. Enough time I shout you, you say I can't come over, because somebody over here. Enough time I call you come link me on my yard, you can't link me, because you have somebody to link. Cool, I hear your life. I mean, don't come in your life. But now me I catch feelings. Can't bother with this no more. Me I tell you the truth. Me I work hard. Me I do everything. If me forget a next job, if me I happy, cool. But like me not feel like me in a relationship where you tell me say you have two men on the side of talk to me. Can't bother that no more.
If you tell the honest truth, I've been not think about it. I know say you talk to me over and over like your voice a concern, you tell me how you feel and I really appreciate that, right? I've been not think about it. But you see something where you used to, you know, easy for just, you understand what I mean? Like, for example, a smoker. You think a smoker just get up overnight and stop smoke?
No, a smoker can't get up and stop smoke overnight. But if I smoke 120 pack of cigarette for a day, you can cut it down. So, you are smoke where you have two person, when I can see with, you can cut it down if you're interested. So by any idea, I know me I beg to you because you have two person else in your life. Me I beg to myself, me can see them the two person in your life. But me can't take it no more. So me I tell myself, so me feel like I want to go. So by any idea, this is up to me and up to you. Me can't manage it no more. I tell you the truth. You see me? Me can't manage it no more. It's like me I fall for you and everything. I just can't manage it no more. I tell you the truth. You see me? Look, need the youth, the child what we have. The child not around you. The child not around you, you know. The child don't around you. And your mother have a child just because of your lifestyle. You can't live them a life there. Me not come from here. First time I come here, watch choice me I work. You see me? I'm a buck you. But then I tell me just I roam me street and buck you. I may tell you something like you're different from. I guess I have to somebody me understand that no me a fall for you. If my mother them come from town, you know, my father. Me can't introduce them to you. Me can't do that. I don't know if your fault or my fault. So that's why I want to separate myself. You see me? Me can't do it no more, bro.
Oh my, you don't have to do that. But no, separate yourself. Never fix this. Just give me a little bit more time, please.
Babes, every minute, I think at the fourth time I'm here talk, every minute you want time. And the time now add up. The clock need to move. The second now spin, the hour now move. Now care we put battery on the clock, it still not work. So me I take down myself off of the wall. You have to do you, me have to do me. You get what me I say? I just that. Can't manage more, I'm tired of it right now. As a matter of fact, you have my number. If you look at things that we have in Nigeria, if things don't work out, me just come and get them. If you really care like how I care, just reach out to me. I'm tired of this right now. One more thing, I still love you. I always gonna love you because I'm a good girl. You just don't know your mind at this moment. So me I try to know my mind.
Good man. See, funny thing about you know, my fall for you, you know, I'm telling you something really, if you ever know how much I love you, you would even, you would. Sure. Tired of the life I tell you know, I want me pick me around me, I want to have my family around me, and it's like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I forgot just listen to what America say. Listen to what Omar say and just do it right.
I'm gonna get it.
The first thing you first ask me why me I eat the bun. Why me? Is that alright? Where go there? Where you come from?
Oh, I'm gonna check one of my friends here.
Huh?
I'm gonna check Tia.
I didn't hear me think you check.
You mean one friend has Tia, you know?
One different tea you talk about.
No, my same friend Tia.
You see the reason I have and bun and cheese? And drink ginger beer. You know what ginger beer good for?
Very good for yes.
Yes. You know what that mean? Me not get no attention in the kitchen. Me buy full tank of gas. And one gas is supposed to last 1 year. If you ever own a yard.
Don't say that. You know say me always quick. I true she want an emergency, me hurry up and go to her.
She want what?
Emergency.
Emergency what? A vitamin C again. A most emergency vitamin C.
Me go lend her a move.
Lord.
Where you go? Once a for you know say me and Tia used to in the streets.
Babe, you see that me I talk about? You see the street, me not like that word there. Me not like that memory there where you bring across. Now you are the one who tell me say you don't want to hear nothing about the street. So
Yes,
if you don't want to hear nothing about the street, don't have friends that were in the street.
What me friend? You're only friend me have. Me not have.
What do you mean only friend? So who am I to you?
Nah, you.
I am your everything or me or something. Eh?
Yeah, me everything.
Because if you understand, say, yeah, go back on what we talk about.
Me
Suppose me go back on what we talk about. You ever feel good about that?
No, me not gonna feel good. Alright, me sorry about that, but
Every time you say sorry.
Look what help her around.
How much money she want help now? And be honest, don't tell me say I 10 when you know say I 50. Don't tell me say I 5 when you know say I 20.
20.
Jesus Christ, must have never say 20. So that means I'm more than 20 then.
At 20 million, I know more than 20. It's 20 to be exact.
You know who that? Eh? You know who that?
I'm a friend.
You still call your... Yes, you Jesus Christ, man, you come back on the street again.
Sorry, me now remember. Sorry. So, you know buy nothing for me?
I'm buying for you. I'm over there. Backside road. I'm over there. Huh? Me come home now and ride my bike and tell you so. I use a little bit of me, alright? Babe. No, babe. Oh, where is babe? Babe is nowhere to be damn found. Me look like a clown now. Come on, cause me and my birthday. Because my birthday them meet. Alright. Me say to them say, yo, me going out to a hot meal. What kind of hot meal? A worm to beef bar talk in my belly.
When I come back, when I come back, me go cook.
When me come back, me go cook. Like I say? That everything good. I want to understand what you don't understand what you have. Yo, you see your friend? It's not like it's a gully monkey here. His belly just look a bit big. And if you tap them late at night. You understand me? I say, and the cold water them must live pan. You have to understand so them things have to cut out. You understand me? I say, I only wait. How your phone?
I'm the next phone in the house. Mama say I can phone me out. How are you going so far?
Make your friend find a man. One man for your good whole year. You understand? One man.
Oh, you know say good day, good day?
Well, if you must sell it, one thing me know, you know. You see one thing they call muscle. You see like when if me go to the fitness center and if you walk it, that muscle yeah, it go evolve and it go get tight. You understand? I same thing with your muscle. You realize if you give me that one muscle that me not tap, I'm gonna tell you son about that make nobody feel like so they can see back that muscle there. We not talk about seafood muscle. You understand me I say?
Why you be so far?
Because me yo.
Remember sometimes we just meet you used to say love me or something now. I know you the raise your voice and I go on more serious with me.
I'm sorry. But you have to understand, as a man have emotions and feelings when he loves something. You understand me I say? Me love the something. So if me love the something, me don't want to lose the something. Make it something be my something. You understand? That's why me have to tell you, stop wear them shirt there where I show the nipple. And all them sitting there and make sure they go up on the street you wear brassiere.
Someone in a brassiere?
Come on, look close, man. Come on, man. Come here, son. Come here, go up on the road. Understand, say me is a man. When a man love, you know. You understand me, I say? You love?
Yes.
Who you love?
You.
This a boy, yeah? You sure? Then top about the streets, then girl. I'll stop me and them bun and cheese. What you say, Aku?
What you want?
You know, if me tell you what I want, that means me and no for your man.
I know what you want.
So what you asking that for? Read to me, man.
Later. So you're going to...
Yeah.
So now all good? You just agree later? Later.
Alright, remember say if the rain start fall through the tarpaulin over this thing. Cause we don't want the linoleum get wet. You understand? Yes.
Later. And that stew is your favorite when I look boy. Sorry.
You can't make people hear some love stew peas.
Sorry.
Make sure I make a mistake and put no pork in it, you know.
No, yeah, you did. Ride safe.
Yeah. Here we go. One day at a time. What that? Bro, don't test me, come link here, bro. When we reach up, what you say? Alright, me out of gate. Brother, but tell me see how forward and forward, bro. Brother, but yeah. Alright. Yeah, me lay aside wait, man. Don't wait more than 5 minutes, brother. You don't make no sense. You lied to me, sir. Alright, cool.
How do you?
I feel 5 minutes that. Eh?
You're lucky, so me have forward and I show you, know.
But brother, I don't test my reason right, brother. Eh?
Yeah, but you know I go. You want me really want forward so fast. Remember say you lie, you know?
Me?
The biggest thing.
Well, guess what? When Jesus went there at cross, I never want somebody up there as thief. Me a thief. Me up on the left and you up on the right, remember? You remember?
Me ain't born on Jesus at
You remember? Alright, yes. You know me, I make it no say, no matter how you born, it was 2 thieves. One left on the left and one on the right. It's never one. So if me a thief, you are what?
You never tell us you're a thief, you know. Me tell you you're a liar. But you are telling me now say you're a thief.
Because every liar is a thief. Well, anyway, what going just for the yo, easy, no general. But brother, I'm just grateful to be alive, you answer. Because at the end of the day, sometimes you have to look from where you know, whence coming, you know, where you come from and, you know, where you're right now and I'm something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, I have a woman, that boy, I tell you. Decent woman, brother, believe me. Like, I'm proud of myself. At times, you feel sickly in certain way, you know.
Why? I don't really know about that, you know.
You really know
I
about
can't promise you that. Right now, I have my mind to go up a country back. That's why I have to pull up, mate. I'm sick out. Sick in my mind right now.
I'm not like your mummy's situation, because I talk about mummy, talk about foundation. But as I say, you have to do still, because, you know, if you link her up, I'll give her my regards, because I know you feel like, say, you know, because, you know, they have certain circumstances, me not really care about, you know?
No, everything good, man. But as a chap boy good, yo, you know, so me have to respect you. Yo, good woman you follow, you know. You see me? Believe me, man, right now in changing your ways, because you used to step on the streets, you know. But
Hey, remember, the brother bring up that something about streets.
Cool,
you understand me? I say, make bygones be bygones and so-ons be so-ons. You understand me? I say, because you don't know the situation already. You understand me? I say, that the woman there is, yo.
the school, man. Me not mean it that way, man. When me assist them, back then, I'm saying like, you didn't know I didn't know. So when me say it, I not even nothing for you get upset about it, I like you didn't know. Even though you know the history now, and I like you and India link me anytime, you know. So me just use it as my example, you know what I mean? No disrespect by you, you understand?
Yeah, but certain things is better unsaid, you know, say certain things, bro.
Right.
You understand me? The bro code is definitely if you understand, you know, kind of first time me talk to you about the situation in general. You understand me? I said the first time you talk about street, girl in the street and ready to take. You understand me? I said, we are drink rum.
Bro, the school.
And sometimes I feel say rum I get to head, brother, but me realize right, you drink from morning?
Bro,
you drink, me ask you a question, you drink rum from morning? No, you don't drink a rum. So it's not a rum talk. A real talk you make someone, you just take you out your vocabulary.
Brother,
you understand me? I say, cut you out.
Yo, just calm down now, man. See if you and them near locks turn up. Like, the school now, man.
Yeah, man, them turn up because, you know, but as me I say, you have to just understand, bro. So emotionally get about the situation.
Understand.
Yeah, man, this is the thing.
You know, me like that, dude. Me just tell her. But, yeah, man, I want one really, really good girl. And you do a great job, too. Yeah, that me I talk to.
But I say, I'll give thanks. Yeah. But remember where I want girl them Tia?
Yeah, remember Tia.
For your friend.
Tia.
Huh?
Tell nobody, you know, but you know something else to do some business with Tia.
But I feel I want a friend. Friend.
Back in my time, man, you know, every Friday evening. Sometimes Friday night. You know, because Friday I paid you, you know, we get crazy on Friday night.
So you still a knocky?
Brother, no, sir. Bro, if you tell you the truth, a long time I not even seen her in the streets, you know. Long time, but I see she, you know, she one girl, I book him money just forward than the girl, you see me? I'm more than 10 years now, I know the business, man. More than 10 years, and I tell you some of the time, me I'll book him out for you. Wait, my bro, me do a fee in place. Sometime he come after me. Sometime
so hold on, what is that question? I'm curious, see? So every time you knock, you have to pay money?
Let me tell her, it's supposed to be every time, but sometimes she forgot to collect. sometimes me fit and fit pay.
Oh, come here, so that
Yeah,
amount
but it's supposed to be every time, really.
that amount of money there when you spend for that, can I buy one truck?
You
You know what I mean? Leland.
could have buy two.
You know what I mean? Kenilworth.
Could have buy two, man. But you know what I go. Yo, I'm glad some see you still now. Watch it now. Go to country now, bro.
Do it, man. I'm tell you, so big up your mother for me and I hope all is well. You know what I mean? I make sure you know, say, you know.
Yeah,
Still
250
above.
alright now. You can't wheel it.
Really. The last time I wheeled this, a bad boy stop a bike, so I know upon that again. One thing I learned, say, you see when you're there a certain place,
Yeah.
and it's a certain level on the ground,
Yeah.
yeah, you have to ease yourself.
Yeah.
You understand? You have to have respect and manners.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But you don't know a thing, do you think?
I bad boy I chop out this stuff.
You know what bad boy chop out, yeah?
No, well,
Just some of that scream when them do you hear.
Oh, go on, General.
go on, daddy.
Rich out, man. We are doing so much money, you.
You reach out.
No, man.
Hold on, you know a different bike this.
Boy, I tell you, say, other day I sell the other one and, you know, make up the money and buy this.
Right, that 200 this.
Yeah, man. I say anytime we try to uplift and something, you know, we try to go different road, you know. I try to find same.
You know, so the money that they save me, I save, because big man thing. Boy, I can't bother for the money, the taxi fare we go work. I don't know what choice me I work. You see me, so I try to say I can save to buy some bike, I save money. Go up to some bike, buy a bike.
Yeah, man, come I say a long time I tell about you, I tell you, say, yo, you can't walk and go to work every day, man.
Yeah,
You
man,
see me, I work hard, you know.
You know, so I talk about work hard, bro. I mean, I like, yo, I know you want you just straightforward. You see me? Remember say, a couple of years now, I don't nigga, you know.
Yeah, but you know, so before you go no further, you forward there, I see you account the money. You know when people account money and they ain't happy, you account the money and you look sad. So tell me what go on.
My mind not there, bro. I kind of stress out.
Talk to my
But
man,
sometimes, when you got fall roast and fall shit on you, you have to blame yourself. Worse, if you know, say, you fall, go up on next 6 o'clock. And when you up on next 6 o'clock, if you want shit in and go to the bathroom, you go shit there. And underneath the tree, you shit will catch up.
True.
Me understand that. But by any idea, if you fall, no say, him up on next 6 o'clock and he no say you're underneath the tree. Sometimes if you want to shit, I go shit on a different place.
Real
So the point that I try to say, no bro, I just come and niggle. Young, first, I come and niggle experience, no. I work over choice and everything. Go in the street, go one party, book a girl. Nice, look good and everything. I talk to him. When I feel like something will go on in the night, she tell me it's business she do. So I say, what do you mean business? I say business in do. So I say, oh,
like business, like
Business.
what they do over.
yeah, like back road a town or over a bridge. So I say, oh, because I remember I just come and niggle, you know.
Yeah, you know, to understand.
So I don't really watch that. You see me, because I just need to change my bike aisle. You get what I say? I need to change bike aisle.
my bike too long.
Right, you get what I say?
Black up.
And the black up, you see me? So I just a woman and tell me price and give me money, release me aisle, feel good. But me don't know there's something about that changing aisle, that bike when I book the night, the female. Anyway, me never start doing business, you know. And then me just get to like her. Me I talk to her now, bro. And after me I talk to her, me have a connection. Cause if me not have no money, good. When me have it, I realize how me pay when me I get, she I get half of it.
And you to remind your man
Just
for
cool,
real,
man.
especially if
But
you're in love with them, you know.
see what the problem come here now. During the time I talk to him, him tell me say, yo, she not in the street again. You see me? But him have 2 man.
And what this man? 2 man. And you talking to an next 3 man?
So you have 2 man I talk to, and me want make 3. But as me say, me young, me not pray that. Over a year, me talk to him and I'll pick in a area. Pick in a relationship.
Fear you, take you to there.
But him sorry for me, you know.
Why?
Him sorry for me.
You know what I say? You're a virgin in real life and me always there to tell you right from wrong. You see me? You're a real youth and you just want somebody in your life. You're real with you. You see me? But if you come and niggle over choice that they are working on my youth. You understand? Long time if you own one bike, I don't know how you not get it yet. You see me? But then
So
you
get him on a
do it.
time do it, my friend, man.
Feel
You see me?
Who the girl?
I mean, Matia, man.
Oh, the same man they talk to?
Yeah, bro, I tell us a long time in the girl talk, man.
Outside. You don't know, say I want a nice girl like a long time I know a girl and before a girl even go in the street certain way, you know.
Cause
A hard life beat time
she
she
going in the
know.
street, young, bro.
Yeah man, hard life youth.
But the point of me I say puppy dan, she tell me say having two person them and me still work with it. You get what me I say? But now I kinda get tired there now, cause brother come here fall. I'm matter of fact, me fall for him, I drop.
Watch you know man.
I just say truth me I tell you, bro. I'm a lovely little child, cause he would favor me. You see me, bro?
Yeah man, feel like this today. See if you can be in the future.
I'm my child, brother. I want to you. Wait
No
up
man,
on.
me never say
Wait
I
up on,
feel
brother.
but you me just say something to you as a real. You must say me always a real thing man. I take you out no way man.
Well, me just me tell him say me can't, me just walk out of the house. Tell him say if you're seriously involved with me, just call me. And if you're not involved with me, just go first and me close him.
People can change you know. I need a knife if she change.
More real want him change, cause I rate him, bro.
Yeah man, them me no see it man. You don't say a while ago when I talk, me think that's one of the different thing I talk about.
What you mean?
Cause I feel like you get fed up a she and gone long time. So a while ago me didn't know say a she and talk, but I want a nice girl.
Bro,
Nice
remember, you
girl.
know, me I tell you me know the girl rate me. Remember say what you when what you me eat the mango them and pop up the front teeth, you know.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah, bro, remember say my front teeth that you know, my beauty that I mean cute from a man, you know, daddy. Me kinda hard to look on, you know, and she still look for me and say, boy babes, you lose your teeth, you lose your beauty, but when him forward around me, dog he show me the love same way.
True. Cause every woman a go lay down in the bed with the said way.
What you mean?
No, yeah, say you lose the front teeth and she still lay down with you.
Then I tell her, that's why I kind of, if you lose your front teeth, now I have somebody with a woman and in her mind. You get them? Me I go fix my teeth still in a line. After I buy the bike, me I line up some money if I go fix my teeth. You see me? But yo, anyway bro, me just hoping in change mind. Cause me can't buy my life now, brother. Me can't live and know say, man, me alone as a ants in a milk. Me can't buy my life, bro.
She need to see if she can take.
And the milk good. You see me? Cause when you cut the milk and ear still tight. So me just hoping serious dog right now.
Youth, you know, as you say.
Me can't take care of my youth, you know, bro. Cause me been a send money go give our mother. You see me? And sometime on the weekend we go check her. Him just say him no want the girl get the local virus or down here. He want him grow in a different environment.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, I kinda respect that. But come on, bro, me a dying to have a family.
That's why I say I want she to change her style now. So she can't, her daughter can have a mother and fuck.
Yeah, hello.
Omar,
Yeah, B.
you alright?
There just a go on reason, you know.
You know, say, since I gone, me really think this over and me want we for work, you know. You can come back over and we talk about it, please.
Yeah, you may say now. You see, if you ever talk about it, and not talk about it, if me give you time, because I been give you time much years now. And maybe me understand your life, not your life. But you have to understand me, my life, my feelings. So me will come over there. Me know why you tell me say, yo, I live with you. More can have a family. Me can't bother to come sleep with you tonight and tomorrow. Somebody else will sleep with you. Me can't up on them life.
Alright, Omar, just come over and we talk about it, please.
Yo, you hear me I say, man? You hear me I say?
Omar, understand what I say now, me think about it already and we are going to work on this.
Alright, me link you.
Love you.
Yeah, man, love you.
Alright, B.
Watch her, man.
Alright, later. How your problem?
Yeah,
What I'm
I cannot love her. So yeah.
So you look for me so for like what? Me I look on the phone and yeah, come up close or what? He said he
No man, I show me I go over here and me have some answer over here so me have to forward.
Yo, pan a big man level dog, you know me rate her, bro. But watch out, me can't settle for less, bro. Me have to settle for more.
True,
You see me? You know what? If my family come from town come down there, how me I go introduce them to a woman where have more than one body count? And that me kinda try set myself, bro.
Because me be a man now, me a grow up with on a man now. So me have to change the boy style. When me a boy and younger, cool. Now me a man life more. You see me? Anyhow, you see me go and check him.
Yeah man, you
So
hear
me a
me
check
say,
him and
man.
talk about you. You see
I
me?
really want to fix up on a business, you know.
A true man.
Because the girl, like me say, a real girl. And just hard life make sure if you come in a long.
You must say your friend change for him life, you know.
So not fear boy there with him.
Oh, man, your dog not really that close, you know, because I just know him because my woman and female woman are friend.
Oh, me know
But
them
me not
everything
really,
you
me
do, you
not
know.
really that close, you see me? But me love how that a man they deal with them thing and someone deal with my thing, bro. Because
Yeah,
that a
man.
man they deal with them thing and someone deal with my thing. You know what, you know? You see me, bro?
You want to live a house and something.
Yeah, bro, I want to
You know,
man.
Are you and her if you ride out on the bike where you go get it?
That's why I not buy the bike yet.
Because you wait for her.
I will tell you.
Yeah, so we'll sell it too. But talk to her, man.
I see me, you say me want to sell my bike. But me can you see, sell me the band where you sell what you want me have Jamaican money then.
Okay,
Eh? You can't go for you.
What make?
You know your man a deal over there. When him? Chump? When him? Chump or bigot chump or anything. You can't go over there Donald Trump. You can't go over there as in see you in turn your back.
Ride the bike cross the water, you know me.
Yo, you know your code, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Alright, look come on. Yeah.
Okay.
So I can look so.
Old man just the situation, you know.
I don't like how you look things. Just I call you over here. And you just come over here with like you have the whole world on your head.
And I really serve the whole world for me, you know. I just my heart, my future, my soul, you know. I just start up on my head right now, so I have to just tell my mind, you see me. You have to do you and me have to do me, but at least me have to be honest and you have to be honest, you see me. You understand? So yeah, I say, you know.
Alright, so for the couple hours where you're going, me literally like think about everything. You understand? And when we put one and one together, are you me to get back? The answer is you. Right? So what I'm saying is that I want this to work between me and you. I want to stop do, you know, like do with the other two guys because it's very unfair.
You hear me I say, me not cut it us, you hear me I say. You see, to me, the whole situation, me kinda like, me not like it, me young, so me not work with it now. Me a big man you know, me not really want next 5 years of my life is like this, me don't know about your life. You see me, remember so we have a child, you know, the child or your mother. Basically, to when me see, me know you rate me, me know you love me, me know you care. But you just use them under social security as spear. Bro, me I work hard, you know. Me I work hard. You see me? Anything you want me give you, bills them pay. So me feel like me can't do as much with them me 2 man do. You see me? Me see say you not show them love because you just link up and you forward back. And it pain me hard sometime the next day when me come link you. You get what me I say? And like you, it hurt me heart or it punch me heart. No cure me patchy, it's still a slow leak. So that's why I'm just tell you. I really want you say yes when you can spend some time live together. Where not feel say you will link nobody where your youth over you can come link with and there so. If you want to go back a country with them, I have a problem. Because me and you work hard.
And Omar, me tell you, say, me think about it. And yes, I want we move in together. I want us to be a family. In the near future, we can even carry down little girl down here. So,
Babes, you delete them number, you block them, you call them and tell them. You tell them.
I'm going to tell them yet.
So we never tell them.
I'm going to tell them.
And basically if you tell them, me no want to know what them are going to say or what them are say. So you tell them, block them, delete them. Because by an idea if you tell them and you mean that what you say, and me out a road and me see any one of them, they might try to intervene with respect and manners. Because you're right on you, you know miss. I'm not a violent person. I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. And I you me love. But me now go thump down a man and know say yo, you play the man and I play me. You Jeff?
You understand me?
Cool. So you say you're willing to work with me then?
Yes.
Now I want to smile. And now I'm happy. You want next baby?
You love me foolishness.
Happy and now man, thanks man, you see me? Yeah, in a real life. Really appreciate it.
I'm happy to man like I think I right choices to make. You
Bro,
understand?
I right choice to make man. Remember you know bro. In my levels, most man or most woman are going to say me an idiot. If you talk to a woman or talk to somebody else. But they don't even know. Love is blind. You see me, you can't see when you're in a love. You just think, you just feel, and you just do. But me, feel like me now wait for this time, this moment, and me deserve it. If me and you idiot, or me and you fool, me deserve it. You see me? So just give me a chance and me thank you for your chance, you see me? Alright, so rest of clothes when I have in a jar. I feel like I look a bit of clothes there, look a bit of underpants, look a bit of shorts, look a bit of lotion to me hook up the rest of my things then. You get me?
Yeah man, do that on movie and now we start from there.
I'm soon come here.
Alright.
Cool, yeah. So, oh shit. Name him must say you just say we live together here now. I back no me not go to you know. So me not get you back to us.
How are you used to, you know? How are you used to?
The front door, cause me and the man. Where say me and the man you know?
Yes, you're the man at
Me
the time.
alone.
You're alone.
So me need to do so. And I look if dust underneath the bed. No dust underneath the bed.
None at all.
That a cold. I mean, I want no dust in here. You want dust on me. Alright, so come here.
Alright, babe.
Love you here.
Love you too.
You know this mean?
How we mean again?
I love you.
Alright.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. You understand? So people, when just stay tuned. You understand? Because you know that this Saturday forwarding and this Sunday we are forward. You understand? You know it's a new movie will drop on the 2 channel. So you just look out. You understand? Because movie I go film in a week. As I say, just because me meet now like accident and me go dig out. Get some chip and some little thing people. You understand? But we make you know what go on next movie. But big up on yourself. Thank you for watch. You understand? You just go and watch a little movie. I know say time short. Funny, but as I say, a long time the movie I do. You understand? I search back on the laptop and see it. I will say, alright. Or just upload the phone. You understand? So big up on yourself.